Let's go look for some salmon. Oh, she's afraid of this bridge. This is a metal bridge. She hasn't been on a metal bridge. This is Shimmer. She's 4-month-old puppy, standard poodle, but now she's with her brother Benny, who she follows. She's afraid. Do you see that? She's never been on a metal bridge, but now she has. She wants to play. Go on. We're going to go see if there's salmon right over here. Keep going. Go. What is she doing? Go on. Come on. Let's go. Whee! She's going to have to follow me. So, let's see if there's any salmon. Over here in this creek. They usually pass through here. Maybe Shimmer can see her first salmon, and Benny as well, because he's never really seen any salmon. I don't see any signs of them. Shimmer, come here. You want to go in the water? Oh, that's really overgrown. Go on. It's too overgrown. She doesn't want to walk. Yeah, that's too much. Let's try this way and see a view of the creek. Come on. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see a nice view of it. All right. Oh, you can see inside the water now. I don't really see any salmon. Maybe they're not here yet. Come on. Look at the nice. Oh, there's a path up here as well. Well, let's try this one. Look inside the forest. That's beautiful. Come on, let's go. We can look over there. Come on. Oh, this is a nice section. Look at this. This is pretty here. So beautiful. I hope we don't see any salmon in here. You see anything, Benny? See any salmon? Pull! Pull, Benny! Pull, 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 pull! Pull! He likes to pull, so he wants to pull me up the hill. This is beautiful. We're all in the woods here. Walking along the river to look for salmon that we can't see. Come here. Whoa, this is a big giant cliff. Woohoo! That's where we just were actually. But we don't see any salmon, and they're supposed to be here. We're still going to check other areas. I can hear hawks. There's a lot of hawks. so beautiful in here. Look at the sky, it's really blue today.
I can't go any further.
What are you doing, Benny? Having fun? That's her first time in a creek. Come here, Shimmer. Go follow your brother. We don't have a long enough leash. We should have brought the longer leash. Oh, that's so cute. Do you see any salmon, guys? Look, Benny's really looking. Oh, Shimmer wants to play with Benny in the water. Oh, I don't want to let him loose because there's other dogs around and Benny's not good with dogs. You can see him scouring the area. And Shimmer will probably just run away. Go on, up. Up, up.
Look where she went.
She crawled up on the hill instead of the stairs. We're going to go look on top of that, the bluff area there, and look down to see if the salmon are pooling in that area. There's a bench you can sit at. There's the water right down there, and the top of the cliff is coming up. There's a pathway down here if you wanted to go through there, but it's kind of bushy. But maybe we'll see some pooling over here. Look how beautiful this is. So beautiful. Careful. Oh, that's the edge. You could have went right over that. Yeah, so I still don't see any. We're going to have to keep searching. Do you see anything? I do see some fish right in this area. I'm not sure what they are, and there's some more further down. I'm going to go have a look. What do you see? Do you see something?
More fish behind the road.
There's fish over here too? Oh yes, I see them. Yeah, it's hard to see in my camera, but
Why are
they're the same fish that I seen up above, and they just seem to be in one little pile, just sitting there.
Where are they gathered?
But they're not trout, are they? No,
They
trout
gotta be other
are bigger
photographs.
because they're kind of small, but they're right beside that rock. Look, she thinks she's a bulldog now, pulling, or a sled dog. Look at her go, because Benny's way over there. She's yanking me. I still haven't taught her how to heel though. And she just wants to follow Benny and just keeps pulling. Still looking. You've seen those other fish. I'm not sure what they were. Maybe they were small trouts. And then while the deeper ends where they usually pool is pretty dark, so we couldn't really see inside there. Shimmer, what do you think? It looks like there was a beaver here at one point. It looks pretty old. Wonder if there's still any beavers around.
We got fire. Shimmer, go.
So just walking along on this small little tiny path. Keeps getting smaller. Shimmer's behind me. Look at her go. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta teach her, the heel soon. Benny's at her for reins and, oh, hello. Come on, keep going. It's possible. There could be some pooling in here, but because of the reflection, how dark it looks, we can't really see. But there's a neat bird right there. Looks like one of those cormorants, is that what you call them? Sitting right on that rock. Can you see it? Right there. Can't get any closer because it's all like overgrown. And I can't go any further because that trail line's right here. Well, we're still searching for another part of the river to look for salmon. Oh, look at this little creek. What is this, a little runoff? Imagine if you saw someone there. There's a little creek, you see it?
What's that noise?
I think it's the trees rubbing together.
Okay, what's the other one, the squeaky?
I don't know. I can hear that unless it's a bird.
You hear it?
Yeah. That?
That's these
That must
two.
be
Look
trees.
right there.
Oh, you can see them? That's what I thought. Trees were rubbing together. Sounds like a creature. Hi, Benny. Pull. Keep going, bud. Oh, what was that? Bigfoot?
Bridge.
Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Or Sasquatch. Well, we're going to go find some Bigfoots. We reached to the top of the park. What's she doing? She's pulling you too, eh?
All the way up.
Look at her. It's like a sled dog, this
No,
one.
no birds. That's our parking lot in the house.
Yeah.
And there's a creek that you saw.
Yeah, the little babbling creek. I love walking on bridges. Oh, look at this. Let's have a look.
There's no salmon going
Is
there.
that ever cute? Okay, we found this area where there's a little bit of a dam here. And we were hoping to see salmon jump up that. But there isn't any. It's a big pooling area here, but there's still no salmon. Maybe we came during the wrong weekend. But we don't see any. Benny, do you see any salmon? Do you see any salmon, Benny? Pull, 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 pull. Oh my. Good boy, good job. Oh, I wouldn't be able to get up that hill if it wasn't for Benny pulling me. Good job, buddy. Come on, Shimmer.